Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Soli's Way, and again, this is my side of the story. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hey guys, so today I'm here to talk to you guys about the hair brush blow dryer by Revlon. Okay, hope you guys see that there. I purchased this with my own money. Now, I have watched over 20 YouTube videos with my hair type in regards to this hair brush blow dryer. Okay, I have a mixture of 3C and 4A, my hair type. That's my hair type. If you guys want to find out what hair type you are, definitely look that up. But anyways, I looked at about 20 YouTube videos, reviews in regards to this. So I'm excited about it, nervous. Let's see how it works. We'll see. But I wanted to show you guys, I washed my hair. If you guys watched my previous video, you guys know that I partnered up with MONAT, which is a growing luxury hair and skincare company. Okay, so those are the products that I use on my hair, and this is the hair brush blow dryer that I'll be using today. All right, so I want to show you guys how it looks. All right, pretty big. All right, it's a nice size. It's not heavy at all. Like, this is not heavy. It has off, cool, low, and high. Love the color. I think it comes in I saw blue, the pink, and there's like another color as well. I believe. I'm not so sure, like a greenish, bluish color. But yeah, this is the one I purchased. I'll make sure to leave the description below on how much it was for me. I don't think I spent no more than $50. And if I did, I think it was $52 and some change. I don't remember. But I purchased this on Amazon. It came really fast. Thanks to Amazon. But anyways, I'm excited about this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how this works. So my hair right now is soaking wet, I would say. Like, this is, look how freaking wet this is. Look at my hair, guys. Can you see the type of hair that I have? As I mentioned, I have 3C and 4A hair texture. Okay, so some parts is more coilier than others. Other parts is really curly and nice. So I look crazy. Now I'm going to use my blowout cream with MONAT. If you guys want more information in regards to that, definitely watch my previous video. And as always, follow me on Instagram so you guys can see more of the things that I use. Add that on my hair, and then right now I'm adding my split end mender to my ends. Because you know, girl, gotta take care of your hair. My ends, oh my god. Even though I'm pajamas, this is the quarantine life, okay? So don't judge. And now I'm gonna put half of it up so I can start. I'm gonna definitely time this as well and let you guys know how long it took. So of course, I'm definitely going to be fast forwarding this video as much as I possibly can. So don't get too comfortable, okay? Don't get too comfortable. Alright, so we're doing 5. just one little bit. Hope you guys can see that. This is crazy. My hair ain't even straightened yet. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. So we're gonna fast forward to this. You guys are gonna see me talk, laugh, probably jam, and you're not gonna hear anything, but I'm just letting you guys know. What? Wait, what? Coty cleaned your room?
No, Coty not clean. I'm not gonna cut your room.
What she do to your room?
Go to paper. I'm gonna go. I'm going.
What?
I'm going to open the door.
Tell her to open the door. Go.
I'm saying, Mommy, you hold your room.
Okay, then go sit down. Alright, please tell me that you see what I see and that I see what you see, because my hair isn't even straightened yet. And look. Oh my god. Please tell me you guys see what I see, because if not, I am about to lose it. Like, is this really me? Is this, did I just do this with a brush blow dryer? Like, are you guys looking at my hair right now? Should I even straighten this? I mean, I'm going to, because I like you see this right here? I need to straighten it just because of this, but I don't have to. Like, I really don't have to. Oh, my hair thingy just fell. My AirPod just fell. I do not have to straighten my hair. Wow. I am honestly left like, is my hair done or not? Oh my god. I'm gonna go over it with the straightener just to show you guys how I do my hair personally. But wow. Alright, so I am done with my hair. Do you guys, like, yes, I straightened it, of course, but did you guys see the before? Like, it still looks the same. I just kind of curved my ends a little bit because I need to get a trim, but you know, with being in quarantine, it doesn't work the way we want it to work all the time. But just look at my hair, guys. Like, this is crazy. Oh my god, I am so happy. I love this. I recommend this to everybody, okay? Doesn't matter what kind of hair you have, doesn't matter if it's short. Like, I was a little worried about it gripping my hair because, like, my hair is not super long. Like, it just, you know, it just comes past my shoulders. So I was a little worried, but I did see some videos with girls with hair shorter than mine. This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh my god, I am so happy. I am glad that I purchased this. Like, if you don't have this, you need to get it today, okay? Today. Like, this is awesome. I'm excited. Yo, do you know what it is to cut my hair? I mean, not cut my hair, to cut the time of blow drying my hair. Like, this is just amazing. I'm really happy I invested into this. If you have been thinking about purchasing this, you need to purchase this now, like today. Like, stop waiting, stop thinking about it, and purchase this. And I purchased this with my own money, okay? No one bought this for me. This is not paid for by any company or anything. Purchase this today because my hair, you see my hair? The girl's hair is flawless. Look at. Hey, Flip's hair. I don't even have makeup on and your girl look good. I need to go put some makeup on. I look flawless, guys. Oh, this is so amazing. So if you reached this part of the video, it means you are now looking at the results of me using the Revlon hair dryer brush. Like, this is amazing. Like, I'm still at awe on how my hair looks, guys. Like, look at that. And yes, I went over it with a straightener, as you guys saw, because I like it bone straight. That's just me. You know, everybody has their preference. I like my hair bone straight. But even with that, like, if you saw how it was at the beginning, it looked amazing. Like, I'm still like, I can't believe this is my hair. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. Now, don't get it twisted now. The products I use are what adds that little bit of touch, magic, and shine, okay? But that brush does do wonders, okay? And I am so happy that I purchased it. Like, super happy. Look at that. Oh my god. Loved it. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't stress and be blessed.